Now that we have learned about MCP, let's learn about ACP as well. ACP stands for Agent Communication Protocol, and ACP was developed by IBM. IBM is a developer of BAI Agent Development Framework as well. AI agents can communicate and work together as well, which allows them to form a multi-agent system or a complex workflow. If there was no standard for the interface of AI agents, then it would be very hard to know what an AI agent does and how to communicate with it. Agent Communication Protocol or ACP provides a standard protocol which includes standard message structure, API endpoints, and so forth for agents to communicate seamlessly. With ACP, or if an AI agent implements ACP, ACP helps the agents to discover each other. It helps them to understand each other's capabilities and exchange data effectively. In the picture on the right side of the screen, you will see that there are two AI agents, AI agent A and AI agent B, and both agents implement ACP, and because of that they have the same interface in terms of structure of API interface and message structure, and therefore it's a lot easier and more efficient for them to communicate with each other.